start chapter number 4, which is practical geometry. Okay, in this chapter I'll tell you how to construct quadrilaterals, and some measurements will be given in the questions. For example, the first exercise that you are having, exercise 4.1, in that exercise 4 sides of a quadrilateral and 1 diagonal of a quadrilateral, means 4 sides and 1 diagonal, that will be given in the question, and you have to construct the quadrilateral using that measurement. Whenever you draw or construct a quadrilateral, you need at least 5 measurement of that quadrilateral. So question number 1 of exercise 4.1 is construct a quadrilateral ABCD where these 5 measurements are given. AB is 4.5, BC is 5.5, CD is 4 centimeters, AD is 6 centimeters, and AC is 7 centimeters. 5 measurements are given here, but you know that in a quadrilateral there are only 4 sides. That means the 5th measurement is for diagonal. Let's draw a rough figure first of all. Whenever you have to construct a quadrilateral, very first thing that you have to do is to make a rough figure of the quadrilateral. This is going to help us to draw the actual figure of the quadrilateral. This is the rough diagram. Let's name it A, B, C, D. This is ABCD, which is a rough figure. It should be mentioned that this is rough figure. Okay. Now let's mention the sides. AB is 4.5. Write down 4.5 centimeters. BC is 5.5. Then CD is 4 centimeters. AD is 6 centimeters. And now last is AC equals to 7 centimeters. So AC, this diagonal that we have to join. This is our side AC, and that is 7 centimeters. So now with the help of this rough figure we will draw the actual figure of the quadrilateral. Okay, so all the 4 sides are given and 1 diagonal is given. I am going to start with this diagonal. I will draw this diagonal first of all, and with the help of the diagonal I will draw the other remaining sides. So our diagonal is 7 centimeters. That means you need to draw a line segment of 7 centimeters. You all know that how to draw a line. Take a scale and draw a line of 7 centimeter. It is 7 centimeter line segment, so mention this. The name of this line is AC. Okay. Now on the one side of AC is point D, and on other side of AC is point B. Okay, so firstly let's mark point D. Okay, for this point let's check the distance of this point D from A. This is 6 centimeter. That means from point A we need to draw an arc which is 6 centimeter. An arc of 6 centimeter. For that, take a compass, open it, equals to 6 centimeter radius. Radius of your compass should be exactly 6 centimeters. Now this distance is 6 centimeters. Put it on point A and then draw an arc. From point A you need to draw an arc of 6 centimeter radius. Okay, now from point C, CD is 4 centimeters. That means now the radius of the arc should be 4 centimeters. This is 4 centimeter. Put the compass tip on point C and then draw another arc. Now these two arcs intersect each other. This is our point D. Okay, now in the same way, using the same procedure, we'll find out point B. Okay, so AB is 4.5. That means from point A we have to draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter on the other side of AC. On one side of AC there is point D, on other side of AC there will be point B. That means from A point let's draw an arc of 4.5. So measure 4.5 on scale with compass. This is 4.5 centimeter distance. From point A draw an arc. This is an arc of 4.5 centimeters, and from point C it is 5.5 centimeters. So 5.5 centimeters. So this is the distance, 5.5 centimeters. From point C let's draw the arc. Okay, Okay, now see, my arc, my previous arc is just touching this arc, it is not completely intersecting. So you can take you can join this like this. You can produce your arc like this, okay, if your arcs are not intersecting completely. Now this point is B. So the last thing that we have to do is to join points D and B with A and C. Join AD, then join DC, then join AB, and now in the last join BC. This is the required quadrilateral. After making this quadrilateral, mention the sides which were given. AB is 4.5, so it should be mentioned in the figure. This is 4.5. BC is 5.5 centimeters. CD is 4 centimeters and AD is 6 centimeters. So mention everything on the figure. This is our required quadrilateral.